In this video, we are going to tidy up our code a little bit. And first of all, because this is the first video of part 3, I'm going to go ahead and say save project as. I'm going to find my game maker folder that I had before, go into Ninja Woods, and I'm going to call it Ninja Woods 3. I'm going to hit save. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I'm going to go back to Ninja Woods here, and yeah, I'm going to click save there. Okay. So I'm going to hide away these panels, and our code is not messy, but some of the spacing, some of the comments were a little bit inconsistent. Some comments are missing altogether. I want to show you a really awesome way of using AI to help you with your game maker development. So I already have it open. You can use the link on the Canva tab. You can log in using your school Microsoft account, and then we can just start chatting. So the first thing that I'm going to say is, can you explain what refactoring means in coding? And we're gonna wait a little bit. So let me just go up here. So it's telling us it's a way of restructuring existing code without actually changing the functionality. So it's going to clean up messy code, improve organization, blah, 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 blah. You can have a look at all that stuff in your own time. What I'm going to say is, can you refactor this GML game maker code for a simple platformer? Do not change any of the code, only reorder for better organization, and add descriptive beginner friendly comments that explain functionality. Okay, I'm going to hold down shift and press enter a couple of times, and then I'm actually going to jump back to my game maker here, go down to my step event. I'm just going to click inside it anywhere and hit Command A and then Command C to copy, and I go back in here and then Command V, and I'm just going to throw all that at it. At this point I'm going to pause the video so you don't have to wait for all this stuff to happen, and then I'll unpause it when we've got our improved version. Okay, so that took about 1 or 2 minutes, and you can see over here it has done an amazing job of updating our code, reordering it, creating lovely headings, and providing some comments in there that explain what's going on. Now you could actually add or ask it to add more in-depth kind of comments, but I think for just now this is going to be fine. And over here it's going to explain exactly what's happened. So you've got lots and lots of information. In fact, let's try and go one step further. Let's say, can you make the comments even more detailed? So if you need some more help, you can just ask it to go back and do a better job or something. So let me pause it again. So you can see now that it's got lots and lots of information that it's telling us over here. And the comments are kind of like drowning out the actual bits of code. It's so detailed, so descriptive of what's happening. Excellent if you're not understanding something. Okay, for me, this might be a little bit too much and a little bit kind of confusing. So I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna ask it to go back to the comments we had before. This is too much. And I'll pause it and go back to the previous section, but it's just to prove that you can get any level of detail you want. So you can see here that Flint actually agreed with me. So it reverted back to the comments we had before, which is a good balance of being helpful without kind of drowning out our code. Now I can simply go over here and hit copy, and then I can go across to my game maker here. I can hit Control A and then delete, so my step event is gone. Don't worry, we still have our Ninja Woods 2 save if something crazy happened. But now I can do Control V and paste that in. I can see that some of the actual kind of text formatting hasn't worked so well here. So if I click save, I'm going to close this and I'm going to reopen it again. Yeah, and you can see now, if I hide some stuff here, that, oh, you can see now that it's actually lost my save changes. So let's do Control A, delete, and let's try and paste it in again. Okay, better luck this time. So I'm going to click save, save, save. I'm going to run my game to make sure that it still works. Yep. Let's do a quick test. I can jump over things, I can fall down here, respawn. So the game still works. But now I've got lovely headings, consistent comments. Yeah. Everything's just a little bit better. So you could go back and do the same process with your create event as well. In fact, let's just do that right now. So I can do Control A, copy, and then jump across here. Do the same for my create event. And then I hold Shift, enter, enter, paste. And I'm going to run this. It shouldn't take long to reorder this and to figure out my comments. Only a few lines of code. I'll pause the video anyway so you're not having to wait. So as soon as I paused it, it actually came through here and you can see the changes that it's made. Really, really nice comments. Really, really neat. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm just going to copy that over. I can delete my existing create event. That's not right. Let's go back over here. Did it actually copy? Copy, copy, copy. Yep. And then go in here, paste. Yeah, that's right. It just looks a lot more now, doesn't it? Save, save, save. And then run to make sure nothing's broken. Some simple little tests. Yeah, all looks good. Lovely. So, there you go. Flint can be pretty helpful. I'm going to show you other ways to use it as well. But for now, that is us. Let me pause this video. Where's my pause? It's over here.